Children often don't attend Sunday school every week. A child might come one time and hear about the birth of Moses, but the next time they come, they're hearing about the Israelites crossing the Red Sea. That child will have no idea how those two stories are related. It's also common for there to be multiple teachers in one quarter, so the teacher might not know what happened in the previous sessions. The Follow the Story cards have been designed to bridge that gap. The cards have a script on the back that quickly summarizes the content from previous sessions and provides a context for that day's story. This helps everyone see the big picture of the quarter. The Follow the Story cards are found in the quarterly resource pack for primary, older elementary, and multi-age groups. On the back of the cover card, there is a layout for the cards. This layout is also found in the teacher's guide for every session, showing you which cards you need to use for that session. On the front of the card is an illustration. On the back, the card is numbered. There's also a session number, a session title, and the script. Some of the cards do not have a script on the back. They are just numbered. This is because there are multiple illustrations for some of the stories. Let's say that it's session 4. You're getting ready to tell the story of Joseph getting that special robe from his father. You'll look for the card marked Session 4. It's card number 7. You'll read the script from the back of card 7, laying out cards 1 through 7 as indicated in the script. I'll show you. God called Abraham and Sarah to leave their home and go to a land God would show them. God promised to bless them, make a great nation from them, and give them the land of Canaan. They had a son named Isaac. Isaac grew up, got married, and had twin boys named Jacob and Esau. Jacob tricked his brother Esau to get his birthright and a blessing from their father. Esau was furious and wanted to kill Jacob. But after 20 years, Jacob and Esau made peace with each other. Our story begins with Jacob and his 12 sons. This layout shows the relationships between the characters and helps children understand the plot of the stories. In this example, the column shows the family line of Abraham. So we have Abraham, his son Isaac, his son Jacob, and his son Joseph. The rows show the major events from the life of the characters. In this example, this row shows events from the life of Jacob. In later sessions, cards will be added here to show events from the life of Joseph. Now, what if you don't have space to lay out all the cards? You can simply read the script from the back of the card and lay them all face up in one pile. Or in this example, you could simply lay out the column and then stack any of the cards that are related to one character. You'll notice that about halfway through the quarter, the scripts change. The earlier sessions are summarized even further, and multiple cards are laid out at a time to keep the scripts short and simple. It's essential that every child and every teacher understands the relationship between the Bible stories. In less than 2 minutes a session, the Follow the Story cards make that happen. We hope you love using these beautifully illustrated cards. Let us know what you think. Send an email to contact@shinecurriculum.com.